Stop making him bark. Babe, stop. Enough. People are trying to sleep.
I just moved it half an inch.
Stop. Don't move it anymore.
He's giving him the nastiest face. Look, I'm pulling back now. He thinks he's doing something. Look, he's retreating.
Who's that, Mama? Who is that?
He sounds like an upset stomach.
Leave him. All right, that's enough. Leave him alone now. Anything else, Jackson? What's the matter, Jackson? Hi, guys. Good morning. Rather good afternoon. I am just setting up my insulin pump for a new site change. And yeah, just gonna get the bubbles out of this needle and then fill up my cartridge. I never shared this with you guys, but years ago Rosario actually wrote me a song before we even started dating. It was probably our second date that he sang the song to me. So anyway, I always knew that he was musically inclined. And yeah, so we were just having a little bit of fun. And we hope you guys enjoyed it and it made you smile. But I'm going to continue to set up my insulin pump here. And, and I'll have something for lunch. And we'll see you guys in a little bit. Lunchtime. Some delicious pasta marinara. Took Jackson around the block for a walk. He's having so much fun running out here. Hi.
Yeah, they're clapping.
Hi. You having so much fun? You having fun? Yeah, baby? I know. You wanna go run again? Good. Go run with Daddy, Jax. Guys, it's dinner time. Rosario made me a beautiful avocado, tuna, and mixed green salad over here. Yum. And there's a tomato coming up with honey mustard as the dressing. I'm really looking forward to it. I had a little taste just now, and it was really good. Yum, my favorite tomatoes. Thank you, honey. Perfect. Thank you. Zarya's got a chicken sandwich. She's gonna put a little slice of cheese.
Top it right there with some cheese.
And what else are you gonna put? Some ketchup?
I'm gonna put ketchup on my plate and then just dip.
Sounds yummy.
There we go.
Jackson over here, he's trying to see, well, what am I getting? Your food's coming right up. Jackson threw up this morning, and so we've been splitting his food. He had a little less this morning than he usually gets, like half of it, because we figured with his stomach. And then around 6 o'clock, I gave him a quarter cup of his food. Normally he gets a whole cup, and now he's getting a little bit of wet food at 11 o'clock at night. So he'll be a happy little puppy. I think he's getting savory beef again. Yum.
Hey guys, look what we're doing here. So we opened up Jill's CF vitamins, and inside, I don't know if you can see that yellow film. Well, one of the vitamins actually exploded in there, this little culprit right there. And so we had to take all the vitamins out. Jill's wiping them with a napkin here, paper towel.
They're very oily.
And good thing for empty pill bottles, because we're transferring little doses into the pill bottle. So
this has happened to me in the past, like quite a few times. And years ago, I didn't realize that one exploded until I got to the bottom, and it was all like, ugh.
It tastes nasty, right? You said?
And everything, these always tasted really nasty. So, yeah, I decided to clean them off, and hopefully they'll be okay. And like, I know they're gonna work, but I hope they taste okay. But there, you guys could see it's oil pretty much inside. The oil soluble.
Yeah.
ADENK. And so,
Looks like that'll stain.
yeah. It will. It will. So, anyway, almost done. I got this group left to clean. Yeah.
That's it.
Gotta find another bottle now. Hey guys, good evening. We are making some late dinner at 10:30. If you guys been around a while, you know we eat late. So we're making some stir fry. And we never used our garlic crusher in 5 years, but we're gonna show you. We're gonna do it for the first time and use it. Pretty cool. So you put the garlic in there.
Has the holes, and then you push.
Because I usually buy minced garlic when I do stir fry, but I forgot to. So we're gonna try and mince our own. Maybe there's too many pieces. Oh wow! Check that out.
Now you need a knife
so cool.
or a fork, actually, or something to just.
Yeah. Here's the fork. Pretty cool. Yes. I usually buy the minced garlic in like the jar.
Oh, I had a fork right there. I didn't even realize.
So
and then look, you have these things here to help you like get.
Oh right,
the
you can
stuff
get
out.
rid of the rest of it. That's pretty cool.
So we can either use it.
And we never used this before, did we? It's our first time using it. It came in our like whole set over here.
Maybe I'll
with
get
all
rid of
the
this, right? This
utensils.
stuff.
No, I mean,
Or use it.
it don't matter.
I don't know if that's like skin.
Oh, so get rid of it then. I mean, I took all the skin off, but
Put it right there for
I
now.
don't know.
That's
Maybe.
it.
Yum. Now we just got to throw our veggies in there. And we have our rice over here. They're in there. We're just going to grab some sauce. You already steamed the veggies, so. Here's the stir fries.
Mmm.
Yum. We used to go to this place near my old house, but they closed like a few years ago. Maybe even longer, maybe like 4 or 5 years ago. And so we can't get it anymore. But we've been making stir fry for years and it comes out pretty good. So we're just going to enjoy some dinner and yeah, just relax. Probably watch some TV and get to bed in a little bit.
The elephants.
Oh, what's happening, John? Watching some TV and we're back in the kitchen. Rosario is making some pudding.
I love pudding, especially when it's hot and you eat it hot. Oh my gosh!
Yeah,
If you
warm
guys have never
chocolate
had the
pudding
warm
is good.
chocolate pudding, you have to.
I have to say it is, but I like it cold too once in a while. But it makes like 4 servings, so there'll be enough for us to have like 2 hot and 2 cold, like 1 each. So anyway, that's what Rosario's doing.
Smells delicious.
Mm. Yeah, I could sort of smell it now too.
I could drink it like this. My goodness, like hot chocolate.
You
And then it'll solidify in my stomach.
Yeah, nah. Don't ask why.
Right?
Yep, medium heat for that. And don't ask why, guys, but I am having broccoli rabe. I don't think I'm going to have some pudding, actually, until tomorrow. But who knows? Maybe that'll be my dessert after this. It is so delicious. That was the rest of what we had left, so. Yum. I'm going to enjoy it, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. Walk, guys. And the little guy has to get his feet clean, because we don't want him walking around.
Wipe your butt. Make sure. Okay.
Make sure you're all clean.
There we go.
One more treat for you, Mama. You're such a good boy, yeah?
Okay.
Is that good? Is that good?
So guys, Jill gives Jackson a treat every time he makes poop. And I told her I don't get a treat when I make poop. I mean, so.
Well, I'll have to think of a treat for you when you say, I pooped today. Maybe you get a piece of bubble gum or something. I don't know. Isn't that a treat?
I haven't had bubble gum in a long time.
Neither have I. Remember the bubble heap?
Yeah.
That was so good. And bubblicious, like all the flavors.
So guys, quick update on my weight loss journey. I'm down 13 pounds since I started 37 days ago. Almost 38 days ago. So not too bad.
Not bad. He's looking good. He's doing good.
Thank you.
Oh, and I
you,
remember.
guys. We're going to head to bed. It's about 3:30 in the morning. Just watched a couple episodes of Orange is the New Black. really good show. But anyways, Jill's sleeping here, and I'm gonna say goodnight, and so is Jackson. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.